Welcome to this exceptional Point Loma residence where style, function, and unforgettable views come together. Located in an intimate 4-unit complex, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo showcases Spanish/Mediterranean-inspired architecture with contemporary finishes throughout. The thoughtfully designed floor plan places the living room, kitchen, spacious full bath, and in-unit laundry on level 1, both bedrooms and a second full bath on level 2, followed by a rooftop retreat above. Interior highlights include wood flooring, white quartz kitchen countertops, stainless steel appliances, and seamless indoor-outdoor flow throughout the home. The primary suite offers a private balcony and spacious walk-in closet. Multiple outdoor living spaces include a deck off the kitchen perfect for entertaining and a show-stopping rooftop deck with sweeping panoramic views of the city skyline, downtown, bay, and surrounding hills. Additional highlights include 2 parking spaces, private storage room, extra storage behind parking, and a prime location built in 2007 just minutes to Liberty Station, beaches, yacht clubs, downtown San Diego, airport, dining, shopping, and more. Approximately 600 square feet of outdoor terraces and decks, including a 240 square feet rooftop terrace and a 340 square feet